So check this out. You can actually turn yourself into an action figure now, and it's completely free. Here's how it works. You can just use ChatGPT to help you write a crazy detailed prompt like what you're wearing, what accessories you've got, even the packaging details. Once you have that prompt, you plug it into an AI generator like Daily or whatever AI generator you're using, which the AI generator can be ChatGPT. And in a few seconds, boom, a custom action figure version of you. Full on blister packaging, custom names, tools, whatever you want inside of the packaging. No 3D printer, no expensive softwares, just your imagination and a few clicks. It's super easy, it's fun, and honestly, it looks crazy wild.